Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Lunar client Java launch fail. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, on search you need to look for Lunar client, right click on it, open file location, then you should see Lunar client here, right click and open file location again. Then you should see Lunar client exe, right click again, show more options, properties, compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 8, and select run this program as admin. Apply the changes, then open up Lunar client, press on the settings icon here, and then set allocated memory to 1/3 of your RAM, right? So in my case, it will be around 4 GB here. After you do so, press on this icon here that says advanced mode, and then you should see branch here and the master thing here. So what you need to do here is to press reset here and then wait for a couple of seconds, and then it should work. If it's not working, then go to installed apps and look for Lunar client here on search Lunar and uninstall it and then reinstall again from the website. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.